part completely broke. So basically my side skirt doesn't hold anymore. So I want to see if there's any way that I can put this back. In today's video, I'm gonna test it out a plastic weld to fix one of these tabs on my Koki side skirt. So yeah, I'm about to go get it. So let's go to O'Reilly's. Alright guys, so now it's the next day. I'm gonna get right into fixing my side skirt. But before I begin, I'm gonna explain to you guys what do you need to make this happen. I watched several YouTube videos. I have a vice grip, so you're gonna need this to hold it down. Also, this is a wax paper. You'll need this when you're mixing up the epoxy and stuff. Obviously, so this is the JB Weld plastic welder. Apparently it's like an epoxy, which I never have done it before, but we'll see. So this is the product. This is what I'm using. Alright, so I have a alcoholic spray and some paper towels to clean the surface before I apply the epoxy. So this epoxy actually solidifies in 15 minutes, so you have to kind of work it really quickly. So yeah, that's one thing. Alright, I have the side skirt right here. So yeah, it's the top part that's like messed up. I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I hate like holding it like this, but I think this is the best way that I can do at this very moment. I'm doing this in my room. I don't think a lot of people even do that. But. So first, I'm going to clean the surfaces. So I got some goodies right here. So yeah, I don't have a garage, so you have to do everything in your own room, which is fine. Sometimes I wish I definitely wish I had a garage. That would be honestly really nice. Open this up. Okay, so it's supposedly heal within 30 minutes, but of course I'm gonna let it sit for a day and then put it back on, because obviously I don't want to do that. So alright. Oh, okay. Wait, oh! I don't even know how much do I need. Okay, I think this is enough, honestly. I think. Alright. And then I have a little stick here. Mix it up. I do not want to keep stirring it because then it's gonna get hard. So I'm gonna just jump right in. And actually, I'm using this brush, but on the other side, to apply the tiny spaces. That's good. Now I'm going to clamp it. Just gonna use this paper. And now I let this sit for a day, and I'll get back to you guys after or when I install this. Alright, so my side skirt is back and it's fixed, so I'm gonna be installing it back on my car right now. Alright, so this is the finished look. It's back to normal as it's supposed to look. So I'm really happy with it. The plastic weld, I just drove around and it didn't fall apart. And as you can see, it's still really solid. So really happy with the outcome. I really recommend if you have an OEM bumper or side skirt or any body parts that needs to be fixed. It's really good. Highly recommend it. I hope you guys like this video, but this is it for today's video. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace out.